Dear students, in this video, let us see how to draw the isometric view of a square prism. This is the question. Draw the isometric view of a square prism with side of base 35 mm and height 60 mm. So let us first draw the orthographic projection, that is the top view and front view of this square prism. Now the top view can be drawn like this or like this, depending on the question. Since in this question, the orientation of base is not mentioned, we can draw the square anyway. So I am drawing the top view of the square in the symbol-most position, that is with two base edges parallel to VP and two base edges automatically gets perpendicular to VP, and naming the top view as A, B, C, D. Let me draw the rough pictorial view of this square prism here. Okay, it has the top face A, B, C, D and bottom face E, F, G, H. So let me mark the points E, F, G, H also on the top view. All these points will be hidden by looking from the top. So we are putting E, F, G, H in the bracket. Next, I am drawing projectors from all the points A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, and these projectors are now touching the XY line. Now we need to draw the front view. Let us also mark the dimension of the square prism, that is side of base is 35 mm. Drawing the front view of this square prism, we know the height of the square prism is 60 mm. So, a rectangle of 60 mm will be the front view. Mark the 60 mm height of the prism here. Naming the important points on the front view also. A, B, C, D are the points on the top face. So looking from the front, we can see A and B. So mark A dash, B dash. As C is behind B, let us mark C in bracket, and the point D is behind A. So putting D dashed also in the bracket. Similarly, let us mark E, F, G, H. E dashed and F dashed will be visible from the front, whereas G dashed and H dashed will be hidden. So let us put G dashed and H dashed in the brackets. So now our front view and top view of the square prism is complete in all respects. To draw the isometric view, draw a reference line, mark point E on it, and from E, draw two lines at 30-degree angles. One is towards the right and another towards the left. Next, transfer the lengths EF and EH. So here I am using the scale to mark. You can also use the compass to transfer the lengths. So marking point F and point H. To get the point G, take FG as radius and F as center and draw an arc. And with HG as radius and H as center, draw another arc to cut at point G. Now let me join GH and FG. We have the isometric view of the bottom face now. That is, bottom face is EFGH. I am marking the important points EFGH in black color. Next, drawing the vertical edges. Vertical edges will remain vertical in the isometric view and isometric projection. So here the height of this prism is 60 mm. So from point H, I am drawing a vertical line of 60 mm length and that is the vertical edge DH. So let's mark D on this line. Next, let us draw the vertical edge AE. So from point E, I am drawing a line, that is a vertical line of length 60 mm, marking point A here. Next, we need to draw two more vertical edges, that is from F, draw a line of 60 mm length, and that point will be B. Now one more point we have to draw, that is from G, draw a vertical line of length 60 mm and mark C at this point. Now let us join the marked points A, B, C and D to get the top face of the isometric view of this square prism. The red lines which I have drawn on the board indicates the construction lines, which are thin light lines. So the important points as well as the important edges I am marking with black color, that indicates the thick lines which are final. So I am drawing the top face A, B, C, D, which is visible using black color. The vertical edges DH, AE and BF are also visible. So I'm drawing that using black color. Then the bottom face edges EF and EH only will be visible. The other edges GF, HG and CG are hidden. So I am marking that using dashed lines. So here we have drawn the isometric view of a square prism.